I didn't think there's a lot of problems that I've witnessed other people have based on my previous profession that allowed me to come into contact with tens of thousands of people. So what I would like to express is my gratitude for the people of my community that I live in now and the communities that I've lived in the past. At certain times in my life, I raised my hand as an act of good faith, in the hopes that the people who were allowing me to have the power to take away their freedom that they would acknowledge that me standing in front of them openly, honestly, transparently, acknowledging the fact that I am a human being, that I'm willing to every day wake up and put on a uniform and do the best job I can to apprehend all the criminals in my community, starting with the worst, based on my belief system. I say to all those people who hoped or wanted to destroy my life, I say to you, I have family, just like the millions of other current, former, or retired officers. And I ask you, what do you think we should do if our whole lives were spent protecting our families? Where do you think we're supposed to go?